How to cancel DHL shipping. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can cancel DHL shipping. So if this is your question, you are in the right place. So ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So if you created your shipment or your shipment label by making use of DHL Plus. I'm sure you're aware that there are different kinds of DHL accounts, right? There is DHL Plus account, there is the DHL e-commerce account. All right, so ensure you know the one that you belong to. So if you created your shipment label by making use of DHL Plus, ensure you log into your account. And so after logging into your DHL Plus account, go to the top part of the screen where you can see some options such as home, ship, track, manage shipment. So just click on manage shipments. After clicking on manage shipments, you can see options displayed here, which includes all shipments, my pickups, address book, reports, view all unsubmitted. So once you can see this, the next option for you is to click on all shipments. All right. So after clicking on all shipment, you'll be taken to your shipment page. The next thing would be for you to search out your shipment. So my shipment page is empty now because I have not made any shipment on my DHL account. But for you, see all of your shipments here. So just locate the one that you have made already and then look for the option to cancel the shipment if it is within the same day and before the automated end of day process, because you see it there, you would be able to cancel it on this page. But if it had exceeded that day already, the only option left is to contact this customer support, and that is by going to the top part of the screen, the top right side of the screen, where you can see help and support, and then you click on it. So after clicking on help and support, you'll be brought to the help and support page. So on this page, for fast response, you just click on contact us, and then you can now call this number in order to lay your complaints, which is you would like to cancel your shipment and it's been over a day already and all of that. Just make your reasons known and you would be instructed on how you can cancel the shipment. So this is how you can go about it. Yeah, this is how you can cancel your DHL shipping. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.